आई थिंक 6 IELTS काफ़ी है स्टडी अब्रॉड करने के लिए.
बट तेरा तो 5 आया था ना. बट हाँ, तू अकेला नहीं है. इट्स रियली शॉकिंग गाइस दैट इंडियंस हैव एन एवरेज IELTS बैंड ऑफ 6.25 और वो भी स्पीकिंग टेस्ट में.
और जो मैंने ओवरऑल बैंड देखा दैट्स अराउंड 6.3. व्हेन यू कंपेयर इट विद अदर कंट्रीज इट्स ओकेश. तुम्हें यूनिवर्सिटीज भी ओकेश मिलेंगी, सो चल जाएगा, इतने में हो सकता है एडमिशन आपका.
Hey guys, my name is Dipanshu and I'm a study abroad expert at MIMSA and Mentor Me.
And hi guys, my name is Suraj and I'm a study abroad expert too. So guys, आज IELTS का दीपांशु का बेसिकली IELTS इंटरव्यू है.
मेरा अरे भाई इसका मॉक इंटरव्यू है, सो ये भी सीखेगा एंड आप सब भी सीखना बिकॉज यू विल ऑल्सो गेट टू नो हाउ यू कैन आंसर इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे
and in the worst possible way. But before we begin the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to MIMSA to get all the latest study abroad updates.
Hey Suraj, my name is Gunjan and I will be taking your IELTS mock interview today. So Suraj, let's talk about your family. Do you live in a nuclear family or a joint family?
I have a small family. In my family, there are 3 males, my father and me and brother. And there is also a female girl who is my mother.
3 males, female girl. Seriously? Guys, the answer should be something like this. I come from a close-knit family of 4, consisting of my father, mother and brother. It was so simple.
So Suraj, what are your hobbies and interests?
Ma'am, my favorite hobbies are watching cricket and Rohit Sharma is my favorite batsman. And I am also like the playing badminton and PlayStation 5 and sleeping too.
Sleeping is a hobby. And Rohit Sharma is a batman. So guys, your answer should not include things like It needs to be clear and something like, ma'am, my hobbies include watching cricket with Rohit Sharma being my favorite cricketer. I also enjoy playing badminton and immersing myself in the gaming world on my PlayStation 5. Additionally, I'm a big fan of getting a good night's sleep. Well, jokes apart, सोने का include मत करना. So guys, as you're watching the video so far, I'm sure you're planning to study abroad. And if you want to target any of the top schools, you can book a free 20-minute strategy session right now and let us help you with your study abroad journey. Well, you can find the link in the description. हम बैठे हैं ना यहाँ पे.
So this brings us to the last question. Why don't you tell me about the city where you come from?
Ma'am, I live in Sonipat because I have to do my job in Delhi. Sonipat is a good place and we have lot of dhabas over there. It is surrounded by villages and people come here to eat food from all over the world. And metro will also be coming soon to Sonipat. So I love my place.
Metro, क्या बात कर रहा है? So guys, now that you have heard Suraj's well thought out answer, let me give you one that is accurate and complete. According to the question, you should talk about the city you come from and the answer should be something like Sonipat, the city where I reside, is a vibrant and diverse hub located in the city of Haryana. It boasts a plethora of enticing options for foodies, including mouth-watering delicacies and local specialities. The city also offers a wide range of recreational activities and cultural events, making it an ideal destination for both leisure and personal growth. Additionally, the community here is welcoming and inclusive, providing a supportive environment for both personal and professional endeavors. So guys, if you want to score above 7 IELTS band, then here are 5 tips that you really need. Tip number 1, avoid repeating the words. Tip number 2, always begin your answer with a story. Tip number 3, give full answers because a yes or no is not at all satisfactory. Tip number 4, correct your mistakes by simply apologizing to the examiner and then repeating the correct answer. And tip number 5, do a 24-hour English warm-up before your IELTS exam. So guys, now that you've heard Suraj's superb responses, I'm hoping that you aren't going to make similar mistakes.
So we hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit the subscribe button below.
And if you're targeting any top schools abroad, I would strongly suggest you go ahead and book a free 20-minute session with us from the link in the description below.
Bye guys.
Sayonara.